What is going on, guys? Okay, so here's something a little bit different. I was asked to set up some small stage pyrotechnics for this comedy theatre group. Now, there was this scene that involved a deliberately bad magic trick, and to make the trick look even funnier, they wanted an intense flash of sparks to be set off from the top of a magic box. So I decided to use these tiny spark gerbs from Weco. These stage gerbs almost always come with an electric match already inserted, so to ignite it, all it takes is to connect the two black wires to a battery and kaboom! Of course, there's no fuse. So here's the setup. We have 4 of these gerbs for each show. I wanted to set them off 2 at a time in a V shape, so that would just make it look a little nicer. So the ones in the front are connected in series, and of course the ones at the back are also connected in series, like so. I taped these 2 black wires to the back of the box out of sight, and they run backstage. Here's my new fancy schmancy homemade firing system I'll be using. And by the way, I actually started selling these on eBay, so definitely check the link in the description if you're interested. As you can see, I have the gerbs hooked up on cue 1 and 4. Blue light indicates good continuity, so we're good to go. So first of all, we need to make Betty disappear, so safety's off, just need to wait for my cue. And there you go. So like I said, I'm selling these firing systems on eBay. I make them in black and in silver, so check the link in the description if you're interested, and I'll see you next time.